Isla at ang pangalawang miyembro ng ating jury, Ira.
Even though I told Ira she's next after me, I was shocked that Ira was voted out.
Ira, nagsalita ng iyong tribo. Paalam.
Na-realize ko na, oh my God, after na pinagsamahan natin lahat pala kayo, tinatraidor niyo ako. Nung nakita ko siya una, hinag ko siya kasi syempre medyo depressed nga. Parang, oh my God, na-blindside ako.
Okay, well, this is our living room. Sa mga bahay dito sa Thailand, sa baba ang living room.
Tama.
Mataas ang mga prayer room nila.
So I thought she was going to be really mad when she got here. Pero when she got here, I asked, galit ka ba? I'm sure she was a bit annoyed, pero hindi naman siya, she wasn't mad.
I mean, I try to talk to people, but my social game is wala. So, I mean, I tried to talk to Trisha about voting Aubrey out, and the time was there, but Trisha ghosted. And then I tried to talk to you the one day, but then right after I said they voted for you, I turned around and you're whispering in Aubrey's ear. So
I know, I'm not saying anything.
Oh, you didn't say anything?
No.
Okay, that's what I thought. So I didn't talk to you anymore.
No.
I knew right away that it was Moy and Aaron who turned on you, because as soon as the vote was Ira, tribe has spoken.
Even the first
Aubrey turned around to Moy. Aubrey turned around like, I'm like, oh wow, what's this? So you talked to Michelle, and Michelle was with you.
Yes, that's why.
So Michelle voted for Irving. Okay. So everyone turned on you, even Solen.
Iniisip ko pa rin, parang pumapasok pa rin sa isip ko yung tribal council. Siyempre, yung feeling na ma-betrayed ka, parang hindi ganun kadaling tanggapin. Especially ng yung mga taong pinagkatiwalaan mo talaga. Nagulat ako, biglang, oh my God, si Aifa, biglang dumating. Nung nagkasalubong kami, nagkatingin, umiyak na lang talaga kami. Kamusta ka na? Okay lang. Marami lang na. Ano mga nik-nik? Masyado. Ano din eh. Napagkaisa ka lang. Ganyan, usap lang kami kung anong nangyari. Sumiiyak ako. Mahirap. Kasi parang yung pakikisamahan mo mga isa. Hindi na kanya ugali. Kinakaway ka. Walang kaway. Kabati ko lahat. Kaso, imagine may kabati mo pero tinatry mo.
Sabi niya, thank you guys.
Hindi, nagbabay naman siya, pero
Nung nawala na si Ira, okay lang. Pero, syempre, sila kwento-kwentuhan tungkol kay Ira nung gabi. And then ako, parang, syempre, parang kami lang ni Ira yung bumoto kay Ervic nung nakaraan. So, wala na akong friends.
we were all happy that our plan worked the right way. And of course, Michelle was feeling bad again kasi she thought she'd be the one to go home. And she's like, oh, I want to go home naman. It was supposed to be me. The Colombo was big enough for a lot, so we fit 4 in each Colombo. And I think that was the best night's sleep anyone has had in the longest time. And for me, even better than the night in the hotel. The night's sleep I got. Diretso na diretso.
caramel. Tikman ang tamis nitong tagumpay. Lasapin ng lubos ang sarap ng buhay. Kagatin ang hamon ng sabay-sabay. Kagatin ng walang humpay.
Siyempre tapos na yung challenge na insects. So, kasi nung sinabi namin na pinaka-memorable na challenge namin yung insects. So, parang, kagat-kagat. Baka ulitin na naman to ah.
Lapit, survivors! Simula tayo, 18 castaways. Hati kayo sa 3 tribo. Napunta sa 2, naging 1. Ngayon, 8 na lang kayo. Gusto ko lang malaman, how does it feel making it this far as a survivor? Solen?
Super good. I'm so happy.
Anong pakiramdam? Moy?
Achievement. Happy po, happy.
May mga pagkakataon bang napapaisip kayo kung ano o sino namimiss ninyo sa Manila?
Everyone. Friends.
Okay lang, malapit na. Malapit na.
Kaya pa.
Kaya lang eh.
Ganun talaga sa larong Survivor. I think the further you get in the game, the lonelier it will get. But good news, today is a reward challenge. At sigurado akong magugustuhan ninyo ang challenge na ito. Pati ang mga rewards na kasama. Susunod sa Survivor Philippines, nagtawag kami ng reinforcements o resback na maaaring tumulong sa inyo.
Iba't ibang mga